I'm live! Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from Cambodia, wherever you are tuning in from. Kung bago lang po kayo sa aking page, my name is Lani. I'm the face behind this business page na I'm Lan Shibi. I'm an overseas Filipino worker based here in Cambodia. I work as a quality assurance in a manufacturing company. I've been here for almost 13 years now, and I'm also a proud digital business owner and mentor. Kumusta po ang inyong Tuesday? Ako, katatapos lang ng aking pizza dinner. Medyo maaga tayong nakauwi dito sa bahay. Pero inabot po tayo ng kalakasan ng ulan kanina while waiting my transport pa uwi. Mabuti na lang walang traffic, so nakauwi po tayo ng chill lang. Okay, welcome to day 5 of my live series where I am sharing about my digital business. Nakakatuwa naman, nasa day 5 na po ako, ang bilis. Naalala ko pa nung day 1 ko, nag-struggle talaga ako kasi nahihiya ako. First solo live ko, hindi ako sanay mag-live, kaya medyo nahihiya ako. But I'm so grateful na naitawid po natin. At ngayon, nasa day 5 na ako. Yes! Okay, for tonight, I want to talk about the different roles na maaaring gampanan ng digital business sa ating pamumuhay. Ayan. So, wag na po nating patagalin. Number 1, ayan. Let's start sa pinakakilalang role na maisiserve ng digital business. Ito po yung another income stream. Yung pagkakaroon po ng digital business ay nakapagbibigay ng additional stream of income. Bilang OFW or full-time employee, alam po natin kung gaano kahalaga ang may extra financial cushion. Lalo na nagsusupport tayo sa family. Whether it is for emergency funds, savings, or daily expenses, malaking tulong talaga yung extra cash or extra income. And then number 2, plan B for uncertainty. Sa panahon ngayon, yung job security is not something we can always count on. Pasensya na po yung aking puso nagmimiyaw-miyaw. Nakita na natin kung gaano kabilis magbago ang sitwasyon. Especially nung panahon ng pandemic, di po ba? Maraming negosyo, maraming trabaho ang naapektuhan at marami sa atin ang nawala ng katiyakan sa pamumuhay. Kaya yung pagkakaroon ng digital business can serve as your plan B. Isang safety net in case magkaroon ng challenges or unexpected changes sa trabaho. Lalo na sa mga OFW na katulad po namin, yung lagay namin dito sa ibang bansa, laging nasa 50-50 or alanganin na kapag ayaw na sa'yo ng employer, goodbye na. May mga employer na kapag ayaw na sa'yo ngayon, bye-bye na ngayon. Wala nang ibibigay na 30 days para makaprepare ka na makahanap ng malilipatan na trabaho. Kaya mahalaga yung may nakareserve ka na pwedeng maging backup. Tulad nitong digital business, kapag dumating yung challenges, mayroon kang sasalo sa iyo at mayroon kang suporta. And then number 3, corporate exit strategy. Para sa marami sa atin, darating yung time na mangangarap tayo na makaalis sa corporate grind. At ang digital business ay maaaring maging corporate exit strategy mo. It allows you to start building something on the side habang nagtatrabaho pa. So that one day kapag ready ka na, maaari ka nang fully transition out of your 9 to 5. Sa halip na umasa lamang sa trabaho, you will have a business that you can grow at your own pace na magbibigay sa'yo ng freedom to choose kung kailan mo gustong gawin yung pagbabago. And then, last, number 4, syempre, hindi kalilimutan yung future. Itong digital business can also be part of your retirement plan. It's something you can build over the years na magbibigay ng steady na income kahit na ikaw ay retired na. Unlike na traditional job na hihinto ng income kapag tumigil ka na sa traditional na trabaho. Pero ang digital business continues to generate income as long as inaalagaan mo ito. Imagine being able to retire earlier na may peace of mind ka that your business is still running at nagbibigay pa rin ng income. Di ba ang sarap at gaan sa pakiramdam kapag ganoon po. So, whether you are looking for an extra income, a plan B para sa hindi inaasahang sitwasyon, a way para makalabas sa corporate world, or a secure retirement plan, itong digital business can play all these roles sa iyong buhay or sa iyong pamumuhay. It's not just about making more money, it's about building long-term security and creating the freedom to live life on your own terms po. I think that's all for tonight. If these ideas speak to you and you are ready to explore the potential of a digital business, feel free to reach out. You can also sign up on my website. It's www.lanshibi.com and watch the 90-minute complimentary webinar to learn more. I would love to help you get started and guide you through the process. Thanks for joining me tonight, and I hope to see you again on my next live. Take care, everyone. Good night. Bye.